Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the potentiometer and control panel in your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety first. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws located at the base of the unit. Carefully lift the bottom cover off, exposing the internal components. Once the bottom cover is removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the machine using the microfiber cloth. This ensures optimal performance once we finish the repair. Now, locate the potentiometer. It is usually mounted on the control board. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry it away from its socket. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws or clips that may be holding it in place. If you don't have the right tools or prefer professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. You can have your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of transporting it yourself. After successfully removing the old potentiometer, take the new one and align it with the socket. Firmly but gently press it into place until it clicks. Make sure it's secure before moving on to the control panel. Next, let's focus on the control panel. This is often attached with clips or screws. Carefully detach the old control panel from the unit. If it's stuck, double-check for any hidden screws. Once removed, clean the area where the new panel will be mounted. Take your new control panel and align it with the connectors inside the Thermomix. Press it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine the best course of action. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Begin by replacing the bottom cover, ensuring all tabs are aligned. Secure it with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure to prevent any loose parts. Before we finish, let's talk about testing. Plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on. Test the new potentiometer and control panel to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide quotes before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. After verifying that everything works smoothly, give your Thermomix a final wipe down with the microfiber cloth. This will keep it looking new and ready for your next culinary adventure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the potentiometer and control panel in your Thermomix TM31. If you prefer not to do this yourself, feel free to contact us for pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.